morning. Today I'm at Pattern, which is just outside Kendal, and I've got 2 cottages to soft wash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So it's a beautiful little setting, like a little hamlet actually. Yeah. So these are the cottages that I'm doing. So I've got this white render here to soft wash. I'm also going to soft wash this stonework here, and I'll wander around this side. Let's see if I can get in here. So I'm not doing the stonework here, but I'll do this stonework, the white render. Come around here, and then there's this little bit of white render here. This back here, and then round the back of this. So you can see there's a lot of algae on here. The paint on this looks in good order, so that's not too bad. And pressure wash these, so let's have a look what's going on this bit. So this front here, I said I'll treat this. I'm not sure how that will clean up, but get rid of some of the algae in that. So we're doing the porch. Porch is in good order. Treat this with rust, and then the main wall. So there's some flaking paint, so you've got to use low pressure on this. Be careful with that. Bit of moss at the top here. And I'll show you what we're looking like next door. So this is going to be, once I've done, I think the plan is that they're going to paint this, and then this will be let out. So this will be for rent, and this one next door, somebody in here lives in here, and again I think they're going to see what it looks like once I've treated it, and it may need painting afterwards. Oh, get in there. So there's a bit of moss up there, there's paint's flaking a little bit, and a little bit of flaky paint there. This is okay. So what's that say? 1820, 1829. And then up that bit. So, nice job, and let's see how we get on with this one. Finish this these two cottages pattern, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is number one, and this stonework I've treated, and it should look better once it's dried out. So this was obviously very black, and it should look better when it's dry. See the 1829 now, definitely brightened it. Overall very good. And again, I've treated this roof. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.